Alright guys, quick video, just last review before the quiz. Prime factor means we have to break it down until we can't break it down anymore into primes. This is 82, so we know it's going to be divisible by 2, which gives us 2 and 41. Okay, when we get 41 here, we can't break the 2 down because that's prime. We want to see if we can break the 41 down into anything. And the more and more I think about it and try, really, there's nothing 41 is divisible by. Even if you have a calculator, I have a calculator off to the side here. I'm trying, obviously 5, 2 is not going to go into it. 3 is not going to go into this. 6, 9, they're not going to go into this. So I can try 8, I can try 7, I can try, even like 11 or something, and none of these are going to work. So actually 41 is prime. So the prime factoring is just 2 times 41, and that's it. That one's a little easy, but sometimes they break down further and further. Factor by grouping. We've had a lot of extensive practice with this, so what we really have to do is just go ahead and break it into 2 groups. Pull out what we can. In this one, it looks like I can pull out an x squared. I get x plus 3. Over here, it looks like I can pull out a 2, and I get x plus 3. They look the same, which means I can pull them out together to become x plus 3. And then over here I get x squared plus 2. And that is fully factored to 2 binomials. Factor each trinomial. First thing I should look for GCF. I have none, so I'm going to actually go ahead and set this up. I got negative 18 and negative 3. My factors are going to be 1 and 18, 2 and 9, 3 and 6, and I believe that might be all. Notice 3 and 6 have a difference of 3, so I'm thinking 3 and 6 are my key, and the 6 is going to have to be negative. So we're going to break this down. 3x and negative 6x is going to get this negative 3x. And then we break down everything else, and we can factor by grouping. Okay. Looks like here I'm going to pull out an x, so I get x plus 3. Over here, the parentheses is supposed to go with that negative, and I don't want the negatives in there, so I'm going to pull out a negative 6 to give me x. When I pull a negative 6 out of a negative 18, I'm actually going to get a positive 3. Again, they look at the same, x minus 6 and x plus 3. And that matches up with my numbers here. This next one, we have a number in the front. So when we have a number in that front, we got to see first, can I factor anything out? And I can't factor anything out of here. 3, 11, and 6 have no common factors. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and multiply 3 times 6. Sorry, kind of got a little messy. 3 times 6, that gives me 9. And then I have 11 down here. And so I got to think of what's going to make 9 and add to 11. Sorry, 3 times 6 is not 9. That's 3 plus 6. 3 times 6 is 18. So I got to think of what's going to get me to 11, and that should be 2 and 9. So we do the exact same thing. We just got to multiply the 3 and the 6 together and do it right, unlike I did the first time. So we get 9x plus 2x, throw the 6 down, and the 3x squared. At this point, we're going to go ahead and factor by grouping. Pull out a 3x. Hopefully this is getting so repetitive for you now that it's really getting easy. And then over here we can pull out a 2. This quiz is supposed to be really easy, not take very long. That's why this video is not very long. And there we are. We are done. That easy, that simple. Hopefully you guys did pretty well. Alright, see ya.